started practicing. Hill starts away. Adam Ryman said to practice them. Seems okay. Not a bad way of doing it. Yeah, there we go. Not bad. Oops. I'll do. Have a break. Take some pictures. She's proving to be nice and manageable, the T7. My riding's letting her down a notch, but overall, not bad. So yeah, I'm absolutely loving T7, and I can't get enough of it, to be honest. It's good, it's good. Yeah, that's a few little pictures took, and yeah, today is my birthday of all days. Oh yeah, it's a shame Dad's not with me, but he can't ride at the moment. Once he's got this next operation done now, hopefully it can come out with us, which will be good. So I hope it all goes well, everyone. Nice and gentle. Letting the bike come up to me, as it says in all of Adam's videos, and lol at brake mag. Yeah, feeling a lot more confident, everyone, at this. See, you'd think, wouldn't you, I'd be so much more confident when I had the 300 rally, but I just prefer this. One of those things, I guess. I just really prefer this bike. Yeah, I don't know, there's just something about it, it just feels like a dirt bike, more, I can't put my finger on it, but there's as well as obviously the extra torque with the engine to the 300 rally, it just feels a bit more composed, for me anyway. I'm tall as well, so that plays a massive aspect of it into it. Wow, look at that, so cool. I've actually got my camera on me as well. Wow. I'm just weaving my way through some beautiful little bits in the Peak District here. Let's turn the ABS off. There we go. Right then, let's have some fun. Right, I wanted to do this. It's actually intentional, I wanted to practice what Adam said. That hill starts, I could have got stood up a little bit quicker. But it's alright. We're going alright. Yeehaw! Turn this off well. Afternoon. Pull there, right, and then they can get past, or I can get a run at the hill. That wasn't the cleanest section, I'll admit. Well, I really wanted to try that, just the way I'd watched Adam do starting up a hill. I just should have got stood up a bit quicker. Let's go! So standing up, good position, constant throttle using the clutch, and steady away, not quite on the arch, but close. Yeehaw! Right, steady away, a bit over the back. Come on baby, you can do it. Let the bike come up to me, absorb the hits. There we go. There we go. Ease it off of the hill. Just in case, got a dab of foot. She haven't, we're okay. Still going. Okay, cool. Right, I'm getting tired. Let's have a little break for a second where it's good to stop. Oh, what a cool day. Alright, all I've done, I just had a break for a minute. I was getting a bit tired. So, I'll go to there. Probably do for a bit of air out the tyres as well. But, as I say, a little break, a little bit at a time, eh? Whew. So another thing I'm trying to ascertain is like the rally seat, getting on and off with it. Practice, as with anything, everything is practice. At least it's wide enough here, something comes, I can just push the T7. Hey everyone, just had a real nice chat then. Met Pete Motorcycles, Andra and Curtis T7, and two other lads are really nice as well, but I didn't catch their name, just on a couple of bikes. So yeah, it's really nice just to chat to some other enthusiasts, get a few tips, and yeah, let's crack on, eh? Let's crack on because I'm getting really tired now. I'm just going to go to that bottom bit there and then have a break again. I am actually standing up, by the way, guys. I think I'm getting a bit better at it. We're enjoying it. Good spot. Oh, can't tell you how unfit I am, but I am aware this is going to be a little bit of a reality for me with this shoulder injury. So I got a nerve injury, for anyone that don't know, and it's just getting over it. It's a lot better than it was. It don't give me much pain now. It's not giving me any pain, but as a consequence, my fitness is, well, let's just say, not very fit. So sit down on this easy section for a minute. So I'll just catch my breath. There we go. Back through the heels. Let the bike come up to me. could do with a little bit of suspension work. It's not bad though. It's not bad for my pace. Again. Oh, just feel the arm pimp and stuff kicking in. So, 2 secs. Whew. And we'll get going again. Oh, it's got to go a little bit further, eh? Oh, really enjoyed that. Oh, let's get to there and we'll have a little break, eh? Yeehaw! Oh, wow, that was good. Hey everyone, I hope you've enjoyed that little clip. A little bit of Greenlane on the T7. I'm more filming these ones just for my own reference really, just to see how I progress and what I end up tackling. So again, pretty good day, no mishaps, didn't drop it. Feel like I learnt a lot and it was really fun bumping into some of the lads as well, which is good. Yeah, that was fun. Always nice to meet fellow enthusiasts. There's a lad on what is he on? A Tenere 660 for Andre, Pete Moto, Andre. Then I bumped into Curtis T7 as well on Instagram. And 2 of the lads who I didn't catch names unfortunately were nice as well. One lad on a Cove, which is interesting, and a lad on a Triumph. Pretty cool. Got some good tips. I always enjoy learning off other people whenever I can, and yeah, it's just really nice. I mean, they're both manageable bikes, I'd say, the T7 and the Raleigh. Now, I'm not saying for the slightest get the T7 over the Raleigh, everyone's different. And though I've got this shoulder thing, I'm very tall, so the T7's really suiting me. You know, I can get my foot down on trickier stuff as well. To the level I feel confident enough I can move it around on the trails. So yeah, overall I'm happy, I'm enjoying it. What do I want to change? Obviously one thing that does bother me is the exhaust angle, so I'm going to change the exhaust on that. Curtis had a HP Corsa on his today and it looked really smart. I did like that. So that's on the list. What else? So yeah, handguards, I'm going to order them tonight, and some sort of screen raiser. I was going to put the screen on, but like when I was on that Greenlane, I wouldn't have wanted that standard screen any higher. So I'm sort of thinking maybe just trying the raisers first, and then if I'm doing like a really big road tour or something, Cornwall or Devon, I can just put a taller screen on or a clip on. But yeah, I mean, overall though, very happy with the Tenere. Tired now, so it's taking me time. You always get water here. Just a bit of local road knowledge. Good little road this. But yeah, overall I'm happy with the T7. It's very windy today. But yeah, hope you've all enjoyed the video. Actually, when this was filmed I was out on my birthday, so birthday motorcycle ride. It's a shame Dad's not with me, can't ride at the moment, but as soon as he is, he'll be out on this. As soon as he's able, get him on the T7, see what he thinks. And yeah, a lot of change going on at the moment, and just, you know, it's life, isn't it? It's life, as they say. It was interesting watching Nathan Millwood's video about the 310 GS, and that was a bike we considered, and it was interesting when he brought the T7 up. I think it all comes down to horses to courses. For the lanes I'm doing, this is perfect for me. Might not be perfect for someone else, but it's perfect for me. Got no intention on doing some of the single track ones he's doing. If I did, as he said, I wish I was on a Husky. I'd be on like a 501 or something, or a YZ250, not YZ250, what they called, WR250. That's what I'd probably look at, like what Jade rides has, and Nye. They use the WR. I think that'd be a nice compliment to the T7 if I wanted to do trickier stuff, but at the moment I am really liking the Tenere and don't find that I need out different. So yeah, job's a good one. Tenere, okay, got there in the end. I'm going to really miss the 1150 when she sells. I need to advertise that actually, but yeah, it's for sale if anyone's after it. Just space, I wouldn't be selling it otherwise. I've run them both, but we're changing house and that, and that means letting my workshops go, which aren't on site, but just a bit of a different change direction in life at the moment. I'll get Dad through these cancer treatments, and can look at the other plan that we had for an house move in 2 years. Just knocked it back a bit, that's all. Sooner than that, and Dad get the treatment he needs at the Krista. Definitely, 110%. What else is new in wonderful life? Oh yeah, I fitted the Camel gut guard. I'm happy with that. It's the really early version. It shouldn't be in circulation anymore, but I ended up, after it arrived and we figured out it's the wrong one, Corey from Camel got involved. Absolutely amazing, brilliant customer service, Camel, and I got a 20% VAT off. I'd ordered it from one of the distributors, not direct from Camel, so that come and got the 20% off, so I was happy with that. I'm going to modify the bolts on the bottom. I'll show you that more in detail in the next video, but yeah, it just gives you that confidence, you know, gives you that confidence. Good little roll by the Tenere as well, considering it's got a 21-inch front. I'm not finding it's like holding me back at all or anything. No, I'm really happy. I think if Nathan Ansel watching this, mate, you need to try T7. It might be the answer and the solution you're looking for. Suspension wise, yeah, you know, like anything's always improved, isn't it, but a better suspension. But obviously I am going to upgrade the suspension, because as Adam Ryman says, you know, it's so important. You know, it's when you miss something, hit it, get a big hit, and then that suspension just gets you through it and don't buck you off the bike. So yeah, that's on the list, shall we say. Yeah, that's not bad, is it? So yeah, that's it, everyone. Short but sweet video. If anyone's sat through watching me suffer greenlining, thanks for watching. But I wouldn't say it's suffering on the T7. I think the most important thing I've learned is go at your own pace. Always be prepared to turn around. If you need to stop every 100 yards, stop every 100 yards. Using different muscles, a different level of fitness, that's what you got to remember, to what you're used to. That's where it comes in, you know. You just got to keep at it. Sorry everyone, I'm getting distracted. Yeah, you just got to keep at it, keep your fitness levels improving, and eventually the job will be a good one. But yeah, I think that's the thing really. Don't feel like you've got to do the whole lane. If you get something and you get tired, turn around like I did on the first one. That was enough of that lane just to get me into it, get my muscles going. And then I thought, right, I'll go do the other one. A bit of a road ride for a bit of a break, pulled up, did the second one in full. And yeah, it was really fun. It's good, everyone. Right, I'll catch you all later. First impressions on the T7, I'm riding a bit. Very happy, impressed. So let's hope it keeps up, should do. So yeah, really good day. Let's head home,